So, good morning. We are here again for another math discussion, and our topic for today is about arithmetic progression. So, let's start. Arithmetic progression, it is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. We have general formula a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and so on up to a sub n. And then, the difference between two consecutive terms, a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equals to a sub 3 minus a sub 2. So, ito yung kanilang common difference, yung letter D. Ito yung kanilang common difference. So, we have D. And then, formulas involving arithmetic progression, we have a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d for the nth term. And then another solution, we have a sub n equals a sub m plus n minus m times d. So yung m dito is siya yung, for example, may given term na pangatlo. So a sub 3. So magiging n minus 3 dito. And then for summation naman, we have two formulas also. We have n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Then we have n over 2 times 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So ito yung formulas na gagamitin natin sa pag-solve ng arithmetic progression. Let's proceed for our example number 1. We have find the 30th term of the arithmetic progression for 7 and 10. So ano daw yung 30th term dito sa sequence na to. So for our solution, we have a sub 1 is 4. Then a sub 2 we have 7. Then a sub 3 is 10. So using the nth term formula, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, by inspection, makukuha natin yung common difference, which is 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3. So, yung difference natin dito is 3. So, we have a sub 1, we have 4, plus, yung n natin is 30. Ano daw yung 30th term natin? So, a sub 30, we have 30 minus 1 times 3. Kasi 3 yung difference. So, we have 4 plus 29 times 3. We have, so, calculate lang natin. 29 times 3 plus 4. We have a sub 30 equals to 91. So, yun. Ganito lang kasimple gamitin yung nth term formula. So, proceed naman tayo sa next example, which is yung about sa sum. So, determine the sum of the progression if there are 7 arithmetic mean between 3 and 5. So, meron daw tayong arithmetic progression, and then we have a sub 1, which is 3. And then, yung a sub n natin is 35. And then sa pagitan daw nitong 3 and 35 is merong 7 arithmetic mean. So we have 3, then we have a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, a sub 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a sub 7, a sub 8, and then yung 35. So, by inspection, kita natin na may 7 tayong arithmetic mean, and then we have 2 terms, yung first and the last term. So, makukuha natin yung value ng n na 9. So, proceed tayo dun sa summation formula. We have s equals to n over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, ito yung gagamitin natin formula since given na yung a sub 1 at saka yung a sub n, which is a sub 9 siya. Kasi meron tayong 9 terms. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given values. We have 9 over 2 times 3 plus 35. So, solve lang natin to. Makukuha natin is 171. So, ito yung ating summation dun sa arithmetic progression.